Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Eastern Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in easternbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Eastern Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner, and now you can select from a personal or a business account. Just select your appropriate account type and you will be asked to enter your username. Just type in your username and click on the sign in button, and now you will be taken into another page where you can type in your password. Just go ahead and type in your password and click on the sign in button, and you will be logged into your account with Eastern Bank. In case you forgot your password or your username, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password button underneath the password box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Eastern Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.